Well, I got all those peppers sorted out yesterday. They've all now been tucked indoors, so they're safe from this harsh weather that we've got coming very soon. But I also decided I want to do a couple of planters for indoors as well. So no matter what happens out here, I've always got something else inside as well. And it's just a couple of small planters. Because these are those little tubs you get from pound shop. They're quite narrow, but there's plenty of room in them. They just need extra holes drilling at bottom because the ones that they come with are only really small. And I've got quite a few spinach seedlings. Very cold hardy spinach, but they've been in these cells for quite a while now, so I think they deserve a bit more space to grow. So I'm going to do one of these planters. I'm just going to fill it up with loads of spinach. So I'll just get this filled and then we can get these little plants in. And I'm just going to give that a bit of a press down, make it a bit more compact. And yesterday we received another donation from Josie, so I just want to say thank you very much for that. Very generous of you. So we'll see how many we can get in this container. And you can see that we've multi-sown them. There's about 4 plants in that one area. So as I take them out, I need to bunch them back up like that. And we'll get this pushed right down. Because weather's so unpredictable at the moment, I always like to make sure I've got some kind of a backup for everything that I'm growing. So I just thought, why not have a couple of planters indoors as well as out. And that's another one. Nice little bunch of spinach there. Get those in. So we get some really nice little bunches of plants there. Stick to it at this end as well. I know we're not going to use all these plugs at the moment, so I'll just try and get at the biggest ones that I can find. That's quite a good example. Some nice little spinach leaves on there. Get that straight in there. Just making sure I'm giving them enough room to grow at the same time. It's getting to a point where you can't see which is which in here. So it's a good job I'm taking some out. Considering weather we've been having, they haven't grown too bad, these. And this last one as well. All time, as I always do, making sure I pinch them together as I'm planting them. And I'm not going to be able to keep every leaf off at soil, but I can keep the majority off. And that's all that matters. And that didn't take long. We've got a nice little spinach planter there. And still a few more to go at for another maybe. Well, I think that'll worth doing. We know everything's going to grow really slow at this time of year. And that's to be expected with like a light and constant drop in temperature. But while we've got things growing outside, plants that take up less space, like your salads, can always be put in little containers and pop them on your kitchen window. They're not too bothered about heat, it's just light they're going to need. So it might be worth your while trying a little salad plant like this, using spinach, lettuce or radish or your small salad varieties. So if you do fancy a little bit of salad through winter, you've always got some at hand, just on your kitchen windowsill and away from slugs and snails. So we'll do a few more of these over next week, and I'll just take them all indoors, find a little sunny windowsill, and we'll see how they get on. If you're not already subscribed to the channel and you want to see what else we're doing between now and next spring, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care.